Hi, we're back again for another Canvas video. This video is about Canvas quizzes. In one of the last videos, we talked about using the Commons. So if you have a quiz coming up, someone may have already made that quiz for you and put it in the Commons. So you can always go search for it and then import it, and you're done. Assign it to your kids, save yourself some time. But what if it's a quiz that's never been made before and you need to make it? So just go into your course, over to the left, hit quizzes. And then you have the add quiz button. First thing you're gonna do is just name your quiz. We'll just call this one sample quiz. And then your quiz instructions. So whatever you want to tell the kids. Also, if you have something you want to put, like an image, a file, a PDF, or some type of picture. Maybe you have a story you want them to read. You could put it right here, and they would see that story while the questions are on the screen as well. So that would be this box here would be a place to put all of that. So just make something up. Answer the questions below and submit when finished. Okay, scroll down a little bit to all your other settings. Quiz type, you have practice quiz if it's just practice, graded, surveys. I'm going to leave it as a graded quiz. Assignment group, if you're using Skyward, you want it to match. So if in Skyward a category is quiz or quizzes, then you want it to match. So I would make it under quizzes. If you want it to eventually push it over to Skyward, make sure the sync to SIS button is on. You can shuffle the answers, give them a time limit, allow more than one attempt. That's all up to you. Show one question at a time. That's a big one for primary grades because the kids see 10 questions on there. It gets a little overwhelming, so you can do one question at a time. Require an access code. Maybe you teach multiple classes and you don't want the other classes getting to the quiz before you're ready for them to get to the quiz, or you post the quiz early and just don't want kids getting on it. You can have an access code and then assign to the people you need to assign the quiz to with due dates and things like that. And you can save it. I'm not gonna save it yet. I'm gonna go up here where it says questions and just go ahead and hit new question. So it's up to you. You can just leave it as question, like question 1, and then you can choose what type of question. Is it multiple choice? True, false, fill in the blank. Canvas does a lot of the work for you. I'll show you this page that I made. Types of questions for quizzes, and if Canvas grades it or not. So you can see like multiple choice, it'll grade it for you. True, false, fill in the blank. It grades a lot of things for you. Essay question, it's not going to grade that for you. You go into Speed Grader and give their essay type questions a score. If they have to upload a file, you'll have to score that. So it just gives you an idea of all the things that you can use and save yourself some time. We go back to the quiz. We just come up with just a simple multiple choice. What is Katniss' last name? Then you come down here and we're going to go ahead and give it some answer choices. You don't have to put like A, B, C, D. You can. So I could put like A, evergreen, B, Everdeen, C, Nottingham. Don't know where that came from. You do not have to put, because it says correct answer, a lot of people think they always have to put the correct answer. All you got to do is find the correct answer and click right next to it, and it tells Canvas this is the right answer. So you can mix it up. You can add 4 choices, 2 choices. It's up to you. These buttons down here, like if the student chooses a wrong answer, you can leave them a message that would pop up on the screen, or a right answer like great job or anything like that you want to do. And this is important. Once you're done with the question and all your answers, hit update question. Okay, and then you go on to question number 2. And maybe you want to make it something else, true, false. Katniss' favorite weapon is a gun. And you come on down here and you tell it whether that's true or false. False. And you can give a comment if you want and then hit update question. So we're building our quiz. Once we're done, we're going to go ahead and save it, or save and publish if you're ready to go ahead and assign it to the kids. Also, for kids that need it, or if you want to make 2 different copies of a quiz, you want to make some differentiation. Let me go under the pencil so I can edit. You'll have this little button right here, record or upload media, which will use your camera, and you do not have to, you can do no video, you can just do your voice reading the question and the answers, and it will insert right into the quiz, and the kids will click play and they'll hear your voice reading the questions and the answers if you want. So it's a way to help out your struggling readers. But that's another built-in feature. So that's pretty much it. I mean, you're making quizzes. Start small, a little 5-question quiz just to make sure you did everything right, and it's not like a super important thing. If everything goes wrong, you don't want to make your most important quiz of the week the first time you've ever used a Canvas quiz. You could use Canvas quizzes for just little 5-question exit tickets. A lot of things you can do with it, but it's pretty simple to make your own quiz or import quizzes that someone else has made. Thanks for watching.